Hey everybody, today we're going to be making some flip books. A flip book, flicker book, or kinograph is a booklet with a series of images that very gradually change from one page to the next. When the pages are viewed quickly in succession, they appear to be animated. Flip books were one of the biggest selling optical toys in the late 1800s, and shortly after their invention, Edward Muybridge, an English-American photographer, developed a technique of using a camera to make his flip books. The materials we'll need for this project are sticky notes or paper, a stapler, and a pencil. Let's get started. So using the sticky notes, we're going to take about 40 sheets from the sticky note pad. Flip over the top sheet so that you can cover up the sticky part and it doesn't get all yucky. So you want to have a nice, check out the flipping action of it before you staple it and make sure that it turns nicely, each page individually. You may need to add more sheets because the tension will create the flipping motion. Starting with the back page, you can draw a simple drawing and then flip the next page down. You'll notice that you'll be able to see the previous drawing as like a ghost image so that you can draw a slightly different drawing on the next page. Continue this process until you've completely filled all of the pages. Again, start with something that's simple and then you can go back and add more details. The smaller the movement or the smaller the change in the picture from one page to the next, the better the animation will appear. Try to keep your drawings in the bottom portion of the paper. This way, when you are flipping through the pages to create the animation, you can see all of the image. If you draw too high on the piece of paper, then you're going to lose some of the image when you're flipping through. Once you've completely filled all the pages, then you can check out how your flip book is working, making sure that it doesn't look like there's any glitches, and then you can go back and add pen and marker and even add some more details, just making sure that you make small changes each time to each of the pages. And here's our finished flip book. Have fun and be creative.